What's up YouTube, it's Kibber the Barber with another tutorial on how to fix this quarantine self-cut from a client that I've been cutting for a while. So stay tuned with the rest of the video on how we're going to be going off on fixing this haircut. The only way I can see is by fixing this haircut is just giving him a skin fade. So you know, his shape was a little pushed back on the side where the beard goes and the C-point, so we're gonna have to go ahead and fix this with a skin fade. So watch the rest. We're gonna start off with an outline. Anybody asking on what number I started at the beginning, I did a number 3.5 on metal detachment. That's how I started to take off the bulk and just set up, clean up the area where I'm going to do the skin fade. So as previous videos I explained before, we're going to start with the half open and work our way down until the line is faded out. Going back and forth on it, you know, that's just to take out the dark spots, you know, using the corners of the blade, but that's more of a detailed cut. So we're gonna start up our guideline with a number 1 guard open, and we're gonna close it and then work our way down using the 1/16 plastic guard. As you guys can see right there, open as well, and just close it down until that line, the bottom line, fades off. Never be scared to go back and forth, you know, on your fade. It's good to make sure that every guideline is faded completely. You know, I know sometimes as a beginner or a barber that just is an apprentice at a barbershop, you might start sweating, you might start wanting to go faster and you know, worrying about if the client is getting desperate. But I think the best way here is to take your time, and I think the client would appreciate that you took your time. You guys can see I'm using now the flat side comb, so that way I can go ahead and take some of the bulk off on the sides and make it straight up, so I can use my number 3 guard, plastic guard, number 2, and then work our way down to the 1.5, all the way down to 1 open, so everything comes together. Same procedures. You start by cleaning up the area with a bigger number. So I started with the open guard with the number 1, and then work my way up with fading it, kind of like backwards of when you're doing a skin fade. Instead of working your way down, when the beard, you have to work your way up. using, I'm actually using the Elegant shaving gel, the green one. That has like a mint cooling formula, so that way, for example, clients like him get irritated quick. So with this one, it's perfect. So you might have to look for the best products for kind of like every client that you have, depending on their skin. So remember, I always say it and I'll say it again, whatever you did on that one side, you have to do exactly on the back, and then do the same thing on the other side, so everything comes out even and everything comes down together. After you're done, we're gonna clean off the rest of the hair, and we're gonna do the shaver just like I did on the bottom of his beard, and that way we can get this result that we see here. I'm just gonna repeat the process again with the fading, so if you guys didn't catch that on the first clip, I'm actually using my iPhone 11 here, so it looks a little bit clearer, so I might be considering on using my iPhone instead of my actual camera. My client asked me to double check on the top and see if the job that he did himself was uneven. I did see some parts that were uneven, so I'm gonna even that out now. So I decided to go manual here. When I mean manual, I mean just scissor work. I didn't want to take out the clipper over comb here because he has a little spot in the back of his head that I want to avoid taking too much of that bulk, so that way it doesn't show. So he has like a little light spot. I don't know if you guys can see right there where my scissors are going. He has a light spot, so I want to give him that bulk there, leave the bulk, but at the same time fade it all together. Alright fellas, this is the final product. Another skin fade, just to fix that self cut. That was the only way we can go about this. So if you guys like the video, please like, comment, and share. Let me know what you guys want to see in the next video. Any other explanations, any other tips that you guys need, please let me know on the comments below. Take care.